Okay guys, I want to compare the free version of LinkTree, and you can see here the LinkTree website in a very short video. So let's compare the free version of LinkTree to alternatives. And what I want to do is show you what LinkTree looks like. So if you're here, you already know. Take a look at this. This is the LinkTree webpage. So take a look. This is a LinkTree, and I'm going to go through a few of these. You start to see a pattern, right? I'll go over it again. So that's what's possible with LinkTree. Notice that all of the links are square, okay? And what I did is I'm going to show you the alternative now. So what do you like better? Do you like this, the LinkTree, or do you like this one? This is the LinkTree. This is the alternative. Notice they both have a profile image at the top. This one's slightly bigger. You can add a title here on the alternative. Here you just have your name, and then you can add a description for your page, which is on the this one. Here there isn't. So now their first link is Venmo. Here's a link to Venmo. PayPal, PayPal, Instagram, Instagram. Now in this I've added the link Instagram, but it's also down below. Notice you can have all of your social links here. YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So if you like this one better, what you want to do is go over to LinkInBio. Now this is the first video of a series in the playlist. Go to LinkInBio and go ahead and log into your account. And once you log in, I'm going to show you how to build that page, and I'm also going to show you how to embed YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you how you can connect your Instagram so every post in your Instagram becomes clickable to an outside URL. So stay tuned, watch the next video, and I'm going to show you more about how to build the best LinkInBio page.